Hey there, mining professionals. Today I'm diving into a topic that's causing quite a stir in the industry. We're talking about the AI revolution in mining. That's right, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we extract precious minerals and resources from the earth. And the numbers, they're staggering. According to estimates by McKinsey, AI could lead to annual savings of up to $390 billion for the mining of copper, iron ore, natural gas, coal, and crude oil by 2035. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's very much science fact. Let's explore how AI is making this possible. First off, let's talk about predictive maintenance. Imagine if you could predict when a piece of equipment was going to fail before it actually did. That's not just wishful thinking, it's happening right now. Take Vale, the Brazilian multinational corporation, for example. By leveraging AI for predictive maintenance, they've extended the lifespan of their haul trucks by 30%. And predicted up to 85% of rail breakdowns ahead of time. The result? A cool $7 million in savings annually. So how does it work? Essentially, AI algorithms analyze equipment specifications, service contracts, and real-time performance data to predict failure rates and identify which assets need maintenance. This proactive approach not only extends the lifespan of equipment, but also saves a significant amount of money. Now, consider the broader implications. The mining industry is facing a multitude of challenges: fluctuating commodity prices, changing workforce demographics, and the maturation of existing sites, to name a few. As the quest for resources pushes operations deeper and further afield, the integration of AI and machine learning becomes increasingly critical. But it's not just about cost savings. The future of AI in mining holds immense promise for enhancing efficiency, safety, and sustainability. With environmental concerns and resource depletion looming large, the timely integration of these technologies could not be more crucial. Think about it. Using AI to optimize mining operations could reduce environmental impact, minimize waste, and ensure the longevity of mining projects. It's a win-win situation. In fact, the potential for AI in the mining industry is so vast that it's poised to become a permanent fixture. We're looking at a new era where AI-driven insights and automation redefine what's possible in mining. So where do we go from here? As AI technologies continue to evolve and prove their worth, it's essential for mining companies to embrace these innovations. By doing so, they can stay ahead of the curve, drive efficiency, and unlock unprecedented value. To sum it up, the AI revolution in mining is not just on the horizon, it's already here, paving the way for a future that's smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Let's embrace this golden age of AI in earth sciences and harness its full potential. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest in mining technology. Until next time, keep mining smarter.
Welcome to GeoVoices, your go-to YouTube channel for concise and engaging videos on geology and the latest geological news. Whether you're a seasoned geologist, an earth science student, or simply an enthusiast, GeoVoices offers insightful content that caters to a diverse professional audience. Stay informed with our expertly curated updates on groundbreaking discoveries, innovative research, and practical insights from the field. Join our community and enhance your geological knowledge by subscribing to GeoVoices on YouTube, GeoVoice.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.